Oh boy. I don't think I'm going to pull in. It's full. The park is full. That's not surprising. Okay, let's go through town. It's been 70 degrees today. It's not surprising that the park is full. Oh, the politicos came and got all their signs from the church. I'm coughing because I had a spasm. I breathed in an insect. So what happens is like, I hear this busy, there's all the cars on both sides of the parking lot there for the library. Social gathering. I'm trying to look at the tree. Park it. Blossom. Sorry to the coffee side. I'm going to check it out. Yeah, yeah, that goes. They go left. I do school. Play school, whatever it is. Quick, turn into the sun. Back to the school, Cardinals. School is park there. We're here to the post office. And Depot Street. And turn left. And check my traffic. Long Street is dead end to the river. You got ready to go. There we go. Oh, it looks like there's some signs there that I can pick up. Oh, that's good. I need the plastic. Let me go into the church parking lot. Perfect. I need some fresh plastic for the winter cellar window coverings. Perfect. Let me put them in my trunk. Hang on. We're doing our cleanup duty. Here we go. Limpy old me. Okay, it looks safe. Limpy old me. Cleanup man. TV before you. Thanks. CU-73.